YouTube. It's going to be one of my first review videos. This is the unboxing side to it. So I'm going to be unboxing the Flip Video UltraHD. Let's get it today. Start. It's quite an ordeal to get it. I wasn't exactly going to get this camera at first, but I'm glad I got it actually. It's quite nice. It's a front box, open flat there. Quite a neat package. As the camera unit. I'll be reviewing that later on. It's quite a nice video. Presentation box. It's a shame. A few quick start guides there. Nothing special. Oh, another box. Battery pack. Oh, and a wrist strap. Carry case. Quite nice. And the battery pack. That's about it. So I'm going to have a quick go of it. Use it, shoot some videos, see how it is. And then I shall be doing a full detailed review. See you soon, YouTube.